We've made many different styles of Nasi Lemak on this channel, but this one I'm making today is most nostalgic to me and probably my favorite. If we were to put a label on it, I would say this is closest to Ponggol-style Nasi Lemak, which is very iconic in Singapore. 3 things that are most important to me in a Nasi Lemak: rice, chili, chicken wing. Everything else, I don't care. So I'm gonna break down each element for you in this video. Let's go! First, we're gonna start off with the chicken wings. Today we're making a more Chinese style Nasi Lemak, so I'm adding soy sauce and sesame oil in the marinade. Next, rice. Actually, it's very simple. You just need to get your ratios right.
What ratio?
Coconut milk, water, salt, and amount of rice lah. The key here is to mix the coconut milk and water together before adding it into the rice. No one. Next, chili. The special ingredient that I added into this sambal is heavy. It's gonna give it that prawny, umami flavor that you don't usually get from the sambals outside. And then I'm also using bottled dried chili paste just to make it so much easier to make. This is a very long process, but trust me, it'll be worth it.
One eternity later.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
We are almost there. The chili is pretty dark now. We're just waiting for it to dehydrate even more, and then the oil will split out of the chili. You like sweet sambal chili? You don't like? Oh my god, look at that! Look at that! This chili very naughty. Very naughty. The chicken has been marinating for about an hour. Next, we're gonna make the batter with a mixture of corn flour, rice flour, and MSG. I'm adding soda water instead of water because I find it makes the batter a bit crispier and also light and airy. You can't have Nasi Lemak without a perfect crispy fried egg. Rice is fragrant, chili is sweet and umami. Very happy with this chicken. Wow, shiok lah. This makes me curious how different Malaysian Nasi Lemak is. With all the hype with Village Park, is it really that good? Today we are at Village Park Nasi Lemak. I always wanted to try this. I always see on Instagram. It always looks so good. But once you walk into the shop, right, I immediately can smell already. It's so good. By the time I finish this, out there will have nothing to eat.